The Magic of Thinking Big. Summary: The Magic of Thinking Big is a book about success and how to achieve big goals. The author, David J. Schwartz, explains that success is not about intelligence, talent, or luck. Instead, it is about how you think. If you believe in yourself and think big, you can achieve more in life. The book gives practical tips to help you change your mindset, build confidence, and take action. 1. Believe in yourself. Success starts with believing that you can do something. Many people fail because they think they are not good enough. The truth is, if you believe in yourself, you will find ways to succeed. How to believe in yourself. Stop making excuses like, "I am not smart enough," or "I don't have time." Think about your strengths instead of your weaknesses. Avoid negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. For example, if you want a better job, don't say, "I can't get it." Instead, say, "What skills do I need to get this job?" 2. Think big. Many people think small because they are afraid of failure. However, if you think big, you will find bigger opportunities. How to think big. Set big goals. Instead of saying, "I want a small house," say, "I want a beautiful home." Use powerful words. Instead of saying, "I hope I can do it," say, "I will do it." Spend time with successful people who inspire you. Thinking big helps you become more confident and creative. 3. Have a positive attitude. Your attitude affects your success. If you think positively, good things will happen. If you think negatively, you will fail before you even try. How to have a positive attitude. Smile more and speak with energy. Focus on solutions, not problems. When you make a mistake, learn from it instead of feeling bad. A positive attitude makes people like you, trust you, and want to help you succeed. 4. Take action. Many people have great ideas but never take action. Action is the key to success. How to take action. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start now. Break big tasks into small steps and do them one by one. Don't be afraid of failure. Every mistake is a lesson. For example, if you want to start a business, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, learn, and grow step by step. 5. Surround yourself with successful people. The people around you influence your thoughts and actions. If you spend time with negative people, they will make you negative too. How to choose the right people. Avoid people who always complain or say, "It's impossible." Spend time with people who encourage and support you. Learn from successful people by reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching videos. Positive people will help you stay motivated and achieve more. 6. Improve your communication skills. Good communication helps you build strong relationships and influence others. How to improve communication. Speak clearly and confidently. Listen carefully and show interest in others. Use simple words and avoid complicated language. For example, if you are in a meeting, speak with confidence and look people in the eye. 7. Overcome fear and build confidence. Fear stops many people from achieving success. The best way to overcome fear is to take action. How to build confidence. Do things that scare you, even if they are small. Prepare well before important situations, like interviews or speeches. Stand tall, walk with confidence, and use a strong voice. Confidence grows when you practice and take small risks every day. 8. Be a leader, not a follower. Successful people don't just follow others. They take charge of their own lives. How to be a leader. Make decisions instead of waiting for someone else to decide. Take responsibility for your mistakes and learn from them. help and inspire others. Being a leader does not mean being bossy. It means taking action and making things 12-11 happen. 9. Keep learning and growing. The world is always changing, and successful people keep learning new skills. How to keep learning? Read books and articles about success and personal growth. Take courses and learn new skills. Ask for feedback and improve yourself. The more you learn, the more successful you will become. Conclusion. The magic of thinking big teaches us that success starts with our mindset. If we believe in ourselves, think big, stay positive, take action, and keep learning, we can achieve great things. The key lessons from this book are: 1. Believe in yourself. 2. Think big and set high goals. 3. Stay positive and surround yourself with positive people. 4. Take action and don't wait for the perfect time. 5. Keep learning and improving. Success is possible for anyone who has the right mindset and takes action. Start today and make your dreams come true.